Hello and Assalamualaikum guys, welcome back to the Windows Fixer YouTube channel. We got a comment here. We have an issue where the laptop is connected to the internet but the app on PC that require internet are not working properly. For an example, Google browser works partially. Some websites like Netflix and YouTube, they work just fine, but when I try to open any other website, they can't load and I keep getting no connection error. And when I try to launch Steam or Discord or any other app that requires internet, they don't work either, even though it is telling me that I am connected to the internet and internet works fine on other devices as well, and it's on Windows 11. So the first one, clear internet cache and temporary files, which is more important. Simply you need to click on the Windows icon and then search for internet options. You will get here the internet options. Open it. Once you open this, simply click on the setting first and then choose here never, and then click on OK. Now click on delete. Choose everything from here, download, form, data, password, and click on delete. Hit apply and that's it. Now simply you can restart your PC. Your problem should be fixed 100% mostly. Now let's try the step number 2. If still you are facing this issue, check DNS. So what you need to do here, again click on the Windows icon, then go into the settings, and then here you will see the network and internet. Now click on the change adapter options. Now the internet or Wi-Fi that you are connected. Now go into the properties, find here the IPv4 properties, and you can just select here the obtain DNS server address automatically. Sometimes the default DNS not working properly, so you can go back to the obtain DNS server address automatically and hit apply and OK. The another step you can also apply here, just click on the Windows icon once again, search for command prompt, right click on it, run as administrator. A pop-up will appear, just click on yes, and then you need to type here few commands. The first one, ipconfig/release. This will also disconnect your internet, and again you need to type here the ipconfig/renew. Your internet will be back. Now once again ipconfig/flush DNS and hit enter, and then restart your router. After restarting your router, simply you need to type here the ipconfig/register DNS and hit enter, and then type exit, close it. That's it. Now if still your internet is not working, then you can reset your network adapters. Sometimes network adapters not working properly, so what you can do here, again go into the Windows icon, then settings, and then network and internet, and then you will see here the network reset. Click on this and make sure this will remove, and then reinstall all your network adapters and set other networking components back to their original settings. You might need to reinstall other networking softwares afterwards, like such as VPN, client, and software or other virtual machines. So you can reset it from here, and after resetting you need to restart your PC. If still, then the last thing is you can update network, which will helpful for you. And for that, the easiest way is you can search here for system information. Hit enter. Now here you have all the informations that you need, and now you can search for network adapters. You need the network adapters. I mean, if you have a built-in network adapter card, then you can simply search here for your motherboard drivers. In my case, right now I'm using here baseboard product B450M Pro M2V2. So you need to type here the same B450M2V2 drivers and hit enter. Now go on the official website and simply you can download it from here. Just choose the drivers and then choose your operating system and then chipset. In your case, if you are using the same, you need to go here the LAN drivers or network adapters, choose. That's it. Now you can download it from here. and install it. After installing these drivers, restart your PC. Your problem should be fixed 100%. The last step that mostly maybe that's the case, disable VPN or proxy. So what you need to do here for VPN or proxy, the first option, again you need to type here the internet options and then go into the connection. Make sure delete the any dial-up or virtual private network. Just choose and then click on remove, hit apply. Also go into the local area network LAN settings and make sure check here automatically detect settings and uncheck all other options. Hit OK, hit apply and close it. Now again click on the Windows icon, go into the settings and this time network and internet. On the left side you will see here the proxy option. Make sure uncheck this option, use setup proxy, only check automatically detect settings and also turn off this option and then click on save. And after that just restart your PC. Your problem should be fixed. Hopefully your issue will be resolved. If you found this video helpful, kindly like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for future guides and help. See you in the next video. Bye bye.